Welcome to Kidz Playhouse. Hi friends, today I'll show you a glowing glow experiment. For this experiment, we need baking soda, we need vinegar, 1 glass, jar, glow. Start the experiment. Pour vinegar into the glass. Jar. Take 1 glass of vinegar and 1 glass of vinegar into the jar. Now take 1/4 cup of baking soda. Add baking soda in the glow. Wow! That looks funny. Add the glow to the jar. Now hold the glow like this. See the magic. Wow. Oh no. Due to the pressure and bubbles are coming out. Wow. Wow. Need to hold the glow tightly. Let's do it one more time. Here. Now lift the glow. See the magic that will give you a high five. Wow. Look at the jar. Wow, look at the bubbles. They are funny. Do you like this magic? It's giving a big high five. Wow! That is so cool. It's easy. Try it in your home. If you like this experiment, give a big thumbs up. Bye! For watching, please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Bye!